Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, it's going to be a YouTube strategy video. As you know, I have a small YouTube channel that I've grown throughout the last year and a half, and I have over 5,000 subscribers, and I'm making a full-time income from my small YouTube channel. And if you're interested in how I did this, then go ahead and click the link below. I have a small YouTube Big Profits course if you're interested in that, where I document and show you exactly over the shoulder how I built my small YouTube channel and how you can use affiliate marketing and creating your own products to make money. If you're interested, check that out. So back to the video. So proper YouTube keyword research to get views. So this keyword right here, that's the keyword of and the title of this YouTube video, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go into YouTube, and if you've installed, go ahead and install TubeBuddy. Now TubeBuddy they have a free version of the tool, and it's good enough to get you started. You don't need the paid tool in order to be successful. So right now I believe I'm using the free tool as well. I might be at the $5 plan. I've been at the $20 plan. Every once in a while I do need to upgrade to use. They have a really cool feature to switch out links on your, if you have 100 or 200 videos with a link in it and you need to switch that link out with something else, you can quickly do that using the tool. But it does, you do have to be on the pro version with the $20 plan. So but anyways, so yeah, free to get started. Go ahead and install TubeBuddy, and then just click up here. You'll have a little menu item right here. You'll click on that. You'll go to Keyword Explorer. Click on Keyword Explorer, and just the title that I'm using for the video, right? The actual title of this video, if I click Explore on that, you will see that this has an excellent score. You like to see those green. The light green or dark green is great. There's enough search volume and there's low enough competition, and that's why this gauge is showing that this is a good keyword. And then see, like if you want to go to the weighted version, you do have to have the pro version. And I just don't have the pro version right now. I did have it for several months, just haven't been using it. But more or less, you really care about the unweighted version anyways. The weighted version is going to probably give you even a better score because it's going to be based on your niche and the amount of subscribers that you have. So we have how can we achieve these excellent keyword scores? So right now we're going to go in, and let's just say we were going to do a tutorial on PowerPoint or something like that, right? So let's just say how to create a slideshow. How to create a slideshow in PowerPoint. We're going to click on that. And so what you want to do is, this one is a very good. So we are in that light green area, but let's see if we can get even better than that. So the search volume is very high, and the competition, it's pretty competitive. It's right on the cusp of yellow and orange, and that's why it's not, the dark green. But how to create a slideshow in PowerPoint. That's actually a really good keyword that I would probably go ahead and copy that and put it down in my notepad as possibly a keyword to go after, right? So then we'll come back in here, but then you'll notice the tool gives you some other suggestions, and they're even longer tails. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there's 7 words in that title there that we're going after, right? But let's see what this one has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're looking at 9 to 10 words inside of these ones right here. So let's just see what how to create a slideshow in PowerPoint brings us. And let's see what the score is. Does it have enough search volume? So we're still in the very good. We're in the very good for mobile, right? And what we'll do is I'll actually come back to our original one because I want to check PowerPoint with music. That one might be a good one. And look, we're getting even better. We're in the dark green for excellent, right? Because there's a lot of search volume and there's hardly any competition. So that means that you can maximize, there's not a lot on the first page. There's not going to be a ton of people that are optimized for this exact keyword. So another thing that you can do is you can copy that, and then come back over to YouTube and paste it in, and then see what videos are popping up. So how to create, and then what I'll do is I'll also come back over here and I'll do a find, and we'll paste that in right here and see what we're seeing is that nobody that's ranking is actually optimized for how to create a slideshow in PowerPoint with music, right? This one has how to add music to your PowerPoint presentation, but people are not typing in. So this is an example of somebody that's ranking number 1, got 20,000 views, but they're not necessarily using a great they're not using a keyword that people are actually typing in. Create a photo slideshow in PowerPoint with music, how to add music to your PowerPoint presentation. So those might be different keywords, but this one right here, no one's optimized for that. So we're going to go ahead and grab that. I'm going to throw that in there as well. And these might just be some videos that I'm going to actually put out on my channel, because I like to do tutorials on how to use different softwares and that sort of thing. So I want to see if they did proper keyword research. So how to add music to your PowerPoint presentation. Let's go back up in here to TubeBuddy, and it's how to add music to your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so how to add music to your PowerPoint presentation. They were going for that keyword, and it does show up as an actual searched for keyword. So that's good that they went for that. And that was another good keyword, right? So that would be another keyword tag that you would want to use. I would probably use that in correlation with this other video. So we're finding good keywords, right? So you just go into different niches. You know, the how to make money online niche is pretty hard to find good keywords in there. How to make money with, and obviously cryptocurrency is going to be, I would be surprised if this isn't a good keyword. So it says good, but let's see if we can get any better, right? So how to make money with cryptocurrency. You don't want to stop there, right? That one has good search volume, but you can see the competition right here it's going into the yellow and orange area. So it's just not going to be the best keyword. We want to try to get into the light green if we can. So sometimes if you add 2021, these are searched for stuff. So maybe for beginners, maybe that one would be a good one. If we clicked on for beginners, let's see what this one comes up with. But you just kind of want to mess around with it and look at this, how to make money with cryptocurrency for beginners, right? Could be another good keyword. We're finding excellent keywords right here that have very high search volume and not that competitive. So you want to go with longer tail keywords that are actually being searched for, and that is how you do proper keyword research. And the TubeBuddy free tool will help you get the job done. So hope you got value from this video, and I will see you in my next.